Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Roblox Game Client is not responding. Chapter 1. How to fix Roblox Game Client is not responding by configuring parameters. To begin, right-click on the Roblox player shortcut and then click on Properties. First, in the Run field, you are going to select the minimized option. Click on Apply. After that, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the Run this program in compatibility mode for box and choose Windows 7. After this, check the boxes, run this program as administrator, and disable full screen optimizations. When doing so, click Apply. Finally, run the compatibility troubleshooter to fix any remaining errors. In the wizard that opens, you can interact to find the problem and correct it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to fix Roblox Game Client is not responding by updating graphics drivers. We are going to start by opening the application that we have based on our installed graphics. In this case, we have the NVIDIA GeForce Experience application. If you have AMD graphics, you will have to open their application. After that, we will go to the drivers section, and here we will check if there is any update available. If so, we will proceed to download and install it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.